Hey guys, what's up? Brandon here. So today I want to talk about trading and how subjective trading really is. And I saw something from another trader this morning where he was talking about, trading and its subjectivity. And what he said was so profound, right? Because it aligns, or well, I believe it's profound. It aligns with what I believe 100%, right? And what he said goes along the lines of you can name your strategy or different points of your strategy, anything you want, right? It is all dependent on what you are seeing at that time. And it's just a justification to explain why you see what you see, but it doesn't mean anything, right? What really matters is if you're making money with it or not, right? In other words, vast majority of traders out there who try to find order blocks and mitigation zones and liquidity zones and all of these things still struggle because at the end of the day, it's not what you name it, but does it make sense to you in a way that you can use to make money, right? Uh, this is also why I say that when you're coming to learn from me, if you're coming to learn from me, uh, I'm not going to teach you how to trade. I'm going to teach you how to think, right? Because that is required. That's what's required, right? Thinking, right? A lot of traders think that they can just get this mechanical system and, they just do this, and that's it. That's all that they need. But the problem with that is that this is a dynamic space. It's an ever changing environment. And if you are not thinking about the changes that are happening, then you're not setting yourself up or your money or your account via your broker for the best potential chance of success, right? So what I'm about to do today, I'm going to try again using TradingView's magnificent replay function, the replay mode. I'm going to use the random bar mode in replay mode to try to see if I can explain that subjectivity 1 degree further, right? I don't know what is going to happen. All I know is that I'm going to attempt to take a trade, whether it wins or loses, I'm going to post it, right? So we're gonna go in on Euro CHF. We're gonna go replay mode. We're gonna go random bar, and then we begin. So out the gate, Euro CHF seems like it is bullish at this time, but I'm not gonna take that at face value. I'm gonna continue to investigate. So a Euro CHF appears overall to be much more bearish than it first leads on to be, right? The monthly time frame suggests bearish rejection. The weekly suggests definite bullish momentum, and again bearish rejection of this week. Some bullish momentum coming in here. 4 hour has bearish momentum and bullish rejection now, which is interesting. And same thing happening here. So what this tells me is that it might try to sell a little bit, but I do believe it may try to get to this high. I do believe it may attempt to get to this level. So let me see how it reacts if it can get there. If it does not get there, however, what I'm actually also going to look at is maybe this level. All right. Why? Why am I saying this level? This is the last area I think that Euro CHF had any major problems breaking, and you can see that evident in this and this and this and this. And then you even had it try to get back to the same level and it struggled. Same thing here. So if it does not get up here, but it happens to get below here, I might consider a sell. But until it gets here, I'm probably not going to do anything. All right, so let's watch it to see. Like I said, I think it might sell off a little bit and then go to buy. Okay, that's interesting. That is very interesting. Okay, sell off a little bit. Does it buy to the high? So you can actually now also see, again, this is my subjectivity. Right? You can actually also see now a bullish trend being created, right? Now the question that again my subjectivity and my thought process is asking is why is it bullish, right? Temporarily bullish and giving traders an opportunity to buy. Something about that not making sense, right? If it were actually giving traders an opportunity to buy, it's probably because it's wanting to sell, right? Um, so I'm gonna watch this high. I'm gonna watch this, and well, obviously I'm watching this. Oh, this is the same thing. right? And obviously I'm gonna watch this here, right? So let's see how it behaves. Okay, that's interesting. Very interesting. Okay, all right. That is very interesting indeed. So one, two. Seems like an M pattern. We know that traders are induced to buy. So maybe it wants to reverse. I don't know. Let's see. Very interesting indeed. Right? Let's see one candle. Indecisiveness, rejection. So let me see here. What kind of stop loss? 39, 39 boy. All right, so 39, okay, that's looking pretty good. All right. Okay. All right. So you know what? Safety. 60 pips. Safety. I'm going for safety here. All right. So I'm actually gonna say I'm using a 100K account. I want to raise 0.5% of the account. So 1% of 100K would be $1,000. 0.5% would be $500. 500 divided by, so what's that? 59 pips. 591. That's 591. That's 0.84 lots. So that would be 84,000. I'm going to sell. Now, a lot of people at this point probably asking the question, so it's bullish. Why are you selling? Now, you remember, I am bearish overall, and the signs are not making sense to me for a sell. All right. It's not making sense to me for a sell. All right. So let me just test something here. So this is my entry here. And this is my stop loss 59. Well, yeah, 58, 59 pips, right? And where am I targeting? So let's go with 1 hour. So we could say this zone. We could say this. We could say this. Um, this is 1 to 1. This is 1 to 4. All right, let's try that. All right. Let me see here. Let me do one more roundup. So monthly, weekly is looking good. Daily, 4 hour. All right, cool. So let's test. So let's actually set my, oh gosh, what did I do here? Let's set my take profit down here, which is 4 times my risk. And we're going with that. So that is looking pretty good. So what I'll really watch out for is how the dealer reacts to this. Because remember now, the dealer has already taken out all buyers in here. Let me change the color to purple, right? Taken out buyers here, taken out buyers here, and he's even taken out buyers here. So let's see how he reacts when he gets down here. If he gets down there, right? There you go. So you see he taps this low here, right? So he's taking out these buyers as well. Let's see how long it takes him to get below. Oh my goodness. So this is why we don't trail too soon, right? Let's continue. Right. Now he's again, listen to my thought process. Again, he's inducing traders to what? To buy. But it's bearish. Why is he inducing traders to buy? Something about that seems fishy. Buys again, induce them to buy again, showing them the buy. Oh my God, that's really good. So now it's cleared this level, which is good. My stop loss now can be moved to break even. Worst case scenario, I'm taken out. It should not affect me too negatively. Let's see. So it's continuously creating new lows. If it can clear that, we'll begin the trail. Let's see. This is gonna attack this zone. Watch out here. If it drops without attacking this zone, I'll be really surprised. Yep. Yep. I might attempt to attack it again, but might drop short. There you go. And I'm gonna attack it again. Yep. Yep. Does it take me out in profit? It might, you know. Yeah, it is. And by this point, I'm still not moving my stop because again, I have no confirmation that this zone is safe. All right. So by this point, I am holding this trade for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Right? 9 days. And I really wanted to hit my target. I want to see how it reacts to this. I'm gonna speed this up here. Let's see. Yeah, this is gonna try to stop me out. I'd be surprised if it doesn't. I'd be surprised if it doesn't. See how it's still bouncing around this area? Yeah. Right. Now it stopped me out in profit. Right. The question people might ask is why didn't I take my profit down here? My question to you is how do you know that this is the area to take the profit? There's no way for you to know that. Right. I was right about it. Didn't give me much. It happened. That is just what you have to be willing to accept as a trader. Right. Granted, with this, it would have given me what, maybe about, what was that, $1,500? Cool. I didn't lose anything, didn't win anything. That is just how it goes. But it really is a testament to the subjectivity of the thing. And you see now that it has attacked the same level here. You see that? I'm willing to bet all the money in my pocket right now. Actually, well, all right. I went to bed because I actually don't even have my wallet on me here. I'm in my office in my home. All right. But I'm willing to bet a lot of money that it is going to get past this level. All right. Let's see. Okay. Interesting. All right. That's a news, some kind of news consolidation. And heavy consolidation. Heavy consolidation. Still inducing sellers here now. So in actuality, I wonder. Let's just close it. And let's see how it behaved. 1 hour. Where was that? That was what? 20. Look at that. It did indeed get back above this. There's nothing you could do about this. This is just the way that the industry works, right? So this ended up being a break-even trade after just about 10 or 12 days or something like that. Again, even though I was right, that is just how trading is. This is very subjective. And even though I was right, there's nothing you could do about that. I hope that you understood this. I hope that this message made sense. Even I lose trades. You know, it's just the way the cookie crumbles. Have a good one, guys. See you in the next one.